Hey, good morning. So, this is my first submission in the Topcoder. I mean, I did a lot of submissions on the Cloud Spokes. Uh, this is the submission Randivoo Force and user level configurations for Kiosk app. So, for this challenge, what I did was I created a custom object called Randivoo configurations. If you look at the object, so this is a Randivoo configuration object. We have a name, the value, the data type, and a lookup to the user. So you can basically use this object to set up like the configurations based per user. Um, if you look at here, this is like a list view that I have, and you can see that these are the example configurations that I added. You can use the standard Salesforce UI to basically edit or delete it. Probably you can, if I wanted to delete this one, I'll delete it. Or if you wanted to add, so what I did was maybe making it a little bit easier for the admin who adds the configuration to click on this button, and he can choose a user that he want to add the configuration to. And if that user already has configurations, it will show up like this. So if you wanted to change it to something else, you can change it. And if you wanted to add a new configuration maybe, and you have a data type. So these are like the common data types, but Boolean and text are the only two ones that I have seen. So you can say maybe integer. And when you click on the save, it saves it. So you can go back to the list, and you can see that this the new configuration is added, and also the existing one has got modified. I mean, you can do pretty much the same thing by going into the page, but it's really, I mean, it makes it much easier. And coming to use the values, the REST Explorer. So what you can do is you can use standard Salesforce REST API, and you can use a query, and you can basically select it and click on the execute, and it's going to get you everything. So if you see the raw response, you can see that the name, the value, data type, and the user. And if you wanted to query by user, you can do that as well. So probably add. You can do the same thing. And it will give you the same thing. So if you have like if you wanted to filter by user, you can do a where clause on the standard Salesforce REST API, and you would be getting the records for that particular user, which should pretty much satisfy your requirements. So uh, that's all I had, and I did I updated the JIT zip package, and I'll upload it with my submission, and I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.